Hey, what are you hiding? What you doing when you gone? Nothing wrong being private. Make sure it ain't wrong. Your life double-sided. Two face like coins. What side do I get? Which side are you on? So what have you done? Some of your dirt has come to light. Well, are you speeding up that hill until the brakes come off? And someone saw you in a fight. Am I right? It doesn't matter